Did you know you can actually use ChatGPT to support your mental health? Here are 9 powerful ways to do so. You can ask ChatGPT to behave like a trauma-informed or CBT-style therapist, someone who's gentle, validating, and emotionally safe, but also helps you challenge harsh thoughts with perspective. You can use ChatGPT like a diary or a journal that comes with helpful feedback. After expressing how you feel, ask, "What do you notice in this?" You can ask it to reflect emotional patterns, unspoken needs, or even hidden feelings like shame or anger you didn't fully see. You can ask it to speak like a character you emotionally connect with. Characters like Naruto, Superman, or Monica from Friends can bring comfort, especially when real voices feel out of reach. When you're spiraling or anxious, you can ask ChatGPT to guide you through calming techniques like 4-7-8 breathing, cold water tricks, or sensory grounding. You can even type, "Pretend you're a gentle friend helping me calm down." It's not a cure, but it can help bring you back to the present. You can describe a painful memory and ask GPT, "Can you help me understand what I needed to hear back then?" It can reflect the missing love, protection, or validation without judgment. This isn't therapy, but it can gently help you rewrite the emotional script of the past. You can tell it a difficult dream or nightmare and ask GPT to transform the ending or bring in friendly characters. It can gently help you understand what might be troubling you deep down, your hidden fears, unmet needs, or emotions that haven't been voiced. Then, by reshaping the dream's story, you bring a sense of safety or closure to what your brain is still processing. You can ask GPT to gently challenge negative thoughts, like "I'm a burden" or "I always mess things up." It won't just flatter you. It can offer thoughtful counterpoints, helping you see from a kinder, more balanced lens. You can describe how you've been feeling over days or weeks, and GPT can help spot emotional patterns or triggers you might not notice. Over time, this can help you become more emotionally aware and self-compassionate. You can ask GPT to suggest books, videos, or podcasts based on your current struggles, and even help you reflect on what you learn. It's like having a thoughtful guide who curates what might actually help you right now. And that's all 9 ways. If even one of them helped you, like, comment, or share this with someone who needs it. And if you'd like more guidance or prompts, just comment below. I'll be here.